Okay, let's start with the concerning news. I'm with you. I'm waiting for these rewards to happen in Shibaswap. It's almost like a young kid on Christmas Eve waiting for these rewards to show up on Christmas morning. And then when I zoom in, I don't see the rewards hitting the Shibaswap, but I gotta be patient. I know, I feel you. I feel your pain and your concern because you probably haven't even received any rewards yet. But all I can say is be patient. I'm sure it's on its way. I understand. I definitely understand. But on the positive end, Shiba's up 6% today. So that definitely will help your portfolio based on when you got into Shiba. And let's talk about it right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. Let's talk about it. Yes, Shiba is up 6% of the day, and the market is up as well. So that's good news. And then when I go to Dogecoin, Dogecoin's up 15% as well. So we do have some good things happen in the market. Dogecoin is up and also Shiba's up. And I believe Leash is up as well. If I go to Doge, Killer, and Leash is also up, 6% as well. But when I go back to the Shibaswap, I'm on my small account. I have 50 million Shiba being buried, and I'm waiting for those awards to show up. And I understand how you feel. You're probably looking around. You're probably, a little panicking, concerned. All I'm going to say is it's going to happen. It's going to happen. And when it does happen, I'll definitely do a video and walk through the process of what the rewards look like. And, maybe give you some tips on some things you can do. What happens if you have this amount, or if you have this amount. Maybe some options that you definitely can do. It's not financial advice. It's something that can educate you or entertain you on your way to your actually portfolio. But Shiba is being up. I do believe Shiba will eventually knock off a zero off this here. And if it does that, that's only good news. If you look at the chart really fast, if you look at the 7-day chart, Shiba's up today. The highest has been since... Let me check out. This is the highest Shiba's been since early August. It's going to beat that. It's the highest it's been since early August. And before that, it was basically back in May. So that lets me know that the market's getting ready to really, really go up. That lets me know about that as well. But this video is also about the rewards, and it will happen. Just be patient. I'm excited about it as well. If you have any questions, definitely put in the comment line. I'm just going to be patient. That's all I can really do. And also enjoy the fact that Shiba's up 5 to 6% of the day. So hang in there. You're going to be just fine. And I know you're going to be excited when it does happen. And let me tell you something also before I let you go. Whatever rewards you get, just be thankful for what you have. I understand. If I look at here, I'm burying 50 million sheep and I don't even have a full bone yet. But when I'm looking at this is an additional of me just burying my bone. And so when I'm looking at this, I'm going to wait to this accumulate to an area where that I can go ahead and swap it and cash it out. So I'm going to wait to this get to an area where it makes sense to actually take it out, with wolfing it out, and then I'll do something special with it as well. I'm thinking by December, it should be a decent amount. Decent, can do some things and move on to the next step. So hang in there. The rewards is definitely going to come at some point. I'm not sure exactly when it's going to happen, but it will happen, and I'll do a video when it does happen. So let's just enjoy Shiba being up 5%, and I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait. This is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Captain Inu in your service, in your corner, to answer your questions and give you some inspiration. I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait because I'm waiting for these rewards to show up just like you.